In the early 17th century, as the age of exploration was in full swing and European nations were expanding their global reach, a remarkable financial innovation was taking shape in the Netherlands: the creation of the world's first joint stock company, the Vereenigde Oostindische Compagnie, or the Dutch East India Company, VOC. This pioneering endeavor would not only change the course of commerce, but also laid the foundation for the modern concept of publicly traded companies. Let's journey back to this pivotal moment in history to explore the birth and significance of the VOC. The late 16th and early 17th centuries were marked by significant geopolitical shifts and a fervor for exploration and trade. European nations were eager to establish trade routes to the lucrative markets of Asia, which were rich in spices, textiles, and other valuable commodities. The spice trade, in particular, was immensely profitable, and the race to secure a share of it was fierce. Amid this backdrop of global exploration and economic opportunity, the VOC was born. It was established on March 20th, 1602, when the States General of the Netherlands granted a 21-year monopoly on Dutch spice trade with the East Indies, present-day Indonesia, India, and parts of Southeast Asia. This was a groundbreaking moment in the history of commerce. The VOC introduced several revolutionary concepts that continue to shape modern finance and business. Joint Stock Company. The VOC was one of the first companies to issue shares of stock to the general public, allowing individuals to invest in the company's ventures. This marked the birth of the Joint Stock Company and the idea of spreading risk and profit among a diverse group of shareholders. Limited liability. Shareholders in the VOC had limited liability, meaning their personal assets were protected from the company's debts and losses. This concept of limited liability remains a fundamental principle in modern corporate law. Dividends and share trading. The VOC paid regular dividends to its shareholders, providing them with a share of the company's profits. This was a precursor to modern dividend payments. Additionally, VOC shares were actively traded on the Amsterdam Stock Exchange, laying the foundation for modern stock markets. Corporate governance. The VOC established a board of directors to oversee its operations, setting the stage for modern corporate governance structures. The VOC had a profound impact on global commerce and exploration, too. Empire building. It played a pivotal role in the establishment of Dutch colonial territories in Asia, including the Dutch East Indies, which later became Indonesia. Global trade network. The VOC's extensive trade network expanded Dutch influence across the world, contributing to the rise of Amsterdam as a global financial and trading center. Technological advancements. To support its trade, the VOC funded cartography, navigation, and shipbuilding innovations, contributing to advancements in maritime technology. The VOC's legacy is evident in modern business and finance. Publicly traded companies. It pioneered the concept of publicly traded companies, and its structure served as a model for subsequent joint stock corporations. Stock markets. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange, where VOC shares were traded, is considered one of the world's first stock exchanges and a precursor to modern stock markets. Corporate governance. The VOC's governance structure influenced the development of modern corporate and governance principles. In conclusion, the birth of the VOC in 1602 marked a seminal moment in the history of commerce and finance. Its innovations, including the creation of the Joint Stock Company, limited liability, dividends, and active share trading, laid the foundation for modern business and investment practices. The VOC's legacy is not just historical, it's a living testament to the enduring influence of pioneering financial institutions on the global economic landscape.